South Island.
Convenient timing. They just reopened the bridge. South Island. Home to luxury department stores, fancy museums, and mediocre hot dogs.
Mediocre? You're from Chicago.
I am. Which means I'm qualified to tell you that Gotham can't do hot dogs right.
Well, at least we've got better pizza.
I ain't doing this. Let's just meet your contact. Well, here we are.
The more Gotham change.
Attention all officers. Situation in old Gotham.
I still can't believe it. What a night! Carmine Falcone behind bars, teddy bears stuffed with chemicals, secret caves hidden behind waterfalls. I mean...
Oh, hey, you hungry?
Hungry? I'm starved. And don't suppose you get too many hot dogs living in a cave. Hello.
I'm here to see Mr. Lucius Fox. No.
Applied Sciences in the basement.
Nice card. Is that eggshell?
Bruce Wayne?
That
You are not
card.
gonna believe
The
this.
tasteful thickness of it. It even has a
Hey,
watermark.
you seen a guy about my height dressed as a bat?
Hang on, Janice. A bat? No. Sorry, officer.
Could have sworn he came in here.
It's called memory cloth. Pass a current through it, in any shape you want.
Any shape.
Above you is a carbon bi-weave glider, developed for the GCPD.
Why didn't they put it into production?
Let's just say, donut consumption in Gotham has pushed the average cop beyond the aerodynamic. And they cost 300 grand. Now, let's see if we can't work out what your little friend is made of. So, what's your interest in it, Mr. Wayne? The bear, I mean.
Look, I'd rather nobody knew about...
Mr. Wayne, if you don't want to tell me exactly what you're doing when I'm asked, I don't have to lie.
That wasn't supposed to happen, right?
No, but I should have some replacement power cells lying around here somewhere. Come on.
A few finishing touches, and this could retrieve that power cell. Need to focus more. These power cells are pretty weighty. One down, two to go. I'm sure Lucius has the parts to finish this thing. Must be in a box somewhere. Another power cell. I'm amazed we can find anything in this place. Great, that's two. One more and we can find out what's in that bear.
We had a shipment of those Wayne Tech chips go missing. Keep an eye out for them whilst you're on your spelunking adventures. That's a workbench. It's where you upgrade your gadgets and gear. If you have enough Wayne Tech chips, that is. Not bad, huh? Once we work out the kinks, I want to get it on the hood of an actual car.
All right, this should be the last one. That's all the power cells. Let's hook them up to the machine and see what's in this bear.
HEHE, also known as Lefonium. Not dangerous in its own right, but when mixed in the right way with any number of components, quite lethal.
I need to find the rest of those bears.
Bears? Plural?
Wayne residence, Alfred speaking.
Alfred, run a trace on Red Hood's chopper. We need to find where he took those bears.
Very good, sir.
I need a way to cover more ground. Would you mind if I borrowed these?
Mr. Wayne, way I see it, all this stuff is yours anyway. Feel free to come and go as you please. We're always open for you, Mr. Wayne.
Thanks, Lucian. Gordon!
Will you stop doing that?
Huh?
Oh! Hey, why did you call me, here?
We need the height to test the glide.
Glide? Oh! Ah! Whoa! Is your helmet on too tight? You just threw me off a roof.
We're calibrating our gliders, Jim.
I'm gonna calibrate those ears off if we ever get back to solid ground.
These gliders are a game changer, Jim. We're no longer tied to just patrolling the streets.
The streets is where the crime is.
Let's go faster. Let's drop onto this rooftop. Let's build something to get us back into the air.
I didn't sign up for this.
It seems I must build, and build I shall. There must be parts around here we could use for an updraft. Excellent. Time to get airborne.
Oh, why'd I get myself into this mess?
All units, the citizen is getting hassled by some guys in red masks at Cameron K monorail station.
That's right over there.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's help them!
Help! Anybody? Hello? Someone help! These red guys are trying to take my stuff! Hey! Oh!
Get ready.
I'm here, don't worry.
Lights out!
Look out, Gordon.
Oh, believe me, I see him. GCPD. Are you okay, ma'am?
Thank you, officer.
Your purse.
You need to work on your people skills.
Go!
Master Bruce, I got a bead on that chopper. Sending you the location now.
Good work.
You sound a bit peaky, if you don't mind me saying. I'll make you a nice hot cocoa when you get back.
I'm not sure that's mission critical.
With some of those little marshmallows you like.
Affirmative. Over.
That helicopter you're after is currently sat at Ace Chemical Processing Plant. It's a nasty old place, sir, so be careful.
Jim, we're going to Ace Chemicals. That's where Red Hood 1 is taking those bears.
Incoming crime alert. Criminal activity taking
This is
place in
Montoya.
Bolton South.
The Red Hood gang are
Appears
causing
to be
us
a
all
break-in
kinds
of some
trouble.
kind. Over.
I don't think this city has seen crime like it. If you and your friend have time, the streets of Gotham could use your help. Over.
We're close. I can smell it. Red Hood wants choppers on the helipad.
Hey, free! What?
Down!
Get off me!
Hey, where you been? The other 3 shipments arrived hours ago.
3 more shipments.
We had some trouble. We're here now, ain't we? Get moving.
We need to analyze all 3 bears. Find out what Red Hood 1 is cooking.
I'll give you 2 to 1. It's not porridge. Hey, whoa!
Secure the area, boys. Make sure we ain't got no unwanted visitors.
If cops were meant to fly, then they'd have been born with.
Detective. Let's go find those bears. Lucius, I'm gonna analyze 3 more chemicals. Can you tell me what they make when mixed with the sample I brought you earlier?
Of course. Send them on through.
Maybe a bear's been left behind in one of these containers. Something tells me there's a bear inside that container.
Like the giant bear painted on the side?
Haha.
Guess we need to find a way inside that shipping container.
Okay, time to find out what he's been storing in this bear. That's the first chemical identified. Let's find the other 2.
You got it.
Somebody there?
Hey, we got some snoopers over here. This ain't gonna tickle. Ow! 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 You've had your last chance.
There's probably a bear left on the train. Time to identify this chemical. Just one more bear to analyze. Then we can figure out what Red Hood 1 is really up to.
He ain't making shampoo, that's for sure.
There's something down there. Ah, seems I found something. Let's analyze the chemical hidden in this bear.
just analyzed with the sample you brought me earlier. It creates an airborne toxin the likes I've never seen. Be careful out there.
Jim, it's worse than we thought. We need to stop them from mixing these bears now.
Copy that, Batman. Let's move.
Looks like we aren't going in the front door. We need to identify another entry point. Perhaps a window or a vent.
You hear about the scary bad guy who busted into the Iceberg Lounge?
It's total baloney.
Okay, boys, quick as you like. Time to put the plan into action.
There's a plan? Yeah, and, where'd you want these?
Are you out of your minds? Haven't I gone over this enough times? We take one of these toys and another, mixed with one of these. That'll take a while, so here's one I made earlier. Well, what do you know? It really is very effective. We're all out of goons. Red Hood 66! Red Hood 89. We're moving to manufacture. Pencil in a meeting with the mayor. See what price he puts on the people of Gotham. Keep it locked.
Time to break up this picnic.
Nobody's getting past me. Nobody. You two are going nowhere.
We could use his size against him.
Let's strike quickly. I need to dodge his attack next time. Get him now! He's dropped the key for the elevator. Come on.
Remember, Red Hoods, we are Gotham's new resident criminal masterminds. So that means there can be no mistakes and no accidents. Understood?
We ain't certified to be driving these things.
So much for criminal masterminds.
We need to build something to help get us across that gap.
Those fan parts look useful.
have what we need. Let's get building.
We're going to introduce a little anarchy to Gotham. Upset the established order and turn everything into chaos. Because that's who the Red Hoods are. Agents of chaos.
All right, that's all the bears in the system.
They've already started making their poison. Let's follow the pipes to the mixing room and shut this place down.
What is this stuff we're making anyway?
I don't know. The boss said it's gonna put a smile on everybody's face.
Really? I thought we were supposed to be bad guys.
Let's go look. I mean, why not?
Not so fast.
Keep following those bears. We have to stop them from making their poison.
Oh, no! I'll see that coming next time.
These masks will protect us from the chemicals, right?
Sure, why not?
I can block that leak.
The chemicals are going in this direction. We need to get past the fan and find the mixing room.
Then let's shut it down. This is a far cry from busting crooks in the docks.
Gotham is changing, and Red Hood 1 is just the beginning.
Well, I guess we best get used to working together.
Listen up. The leather-cape guy and his miserable mall cop that busted Falcone were seen snooping around the compound. Keep your eyes peeled.
I can't wait to bust this guy.
All it takes is one bad day to reduce the sanest man alive to lunacy. So let's make sure everything goes to plan, shall we?
Thanks for helping me look for my keys, guys. Can't believe I dropped them.
We're not vulnerable, all gathered together in one spot, are we?
Vulnerable to what? Just keep looking at the ground till you find my keys.
It's quiet, but we gotta stay until the job's done.
Is it Batman? Is that...
Those pointy ears!
This is so much fun! This stuff stings way less than I expected. This is a pretty sweet party.
That's the mixing room up ahead.
So we go in and shut down the mixing machine?
I learned about their plan the same time you did, Jim. There hasn't really been much time for detailed planning.
Yeah, sure, that's a fair point.
There's the machine. Let's do this.
We're not moving fast enough. I'm sending new parts for the mixing machine. Install them and increase production.
It's that guy in the costume! Get it!
Hello, mixing room. Is something wrong? Do I need to come down there and retie your ties? Report in now!
Nap time!
You're trying to ruin the boss's plan! Stop him!
That's it. I'm heading to the mixing room, and those parts better be installed when I get there.
I got an idea. Let's get building. Hey, now that's some serious phone power.
No! 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 Huh? Nice outfit. Sometimes if you draw a bad hand, you just gotta burn the deck. Burn, baby, burn!
We need to stop him before he sends this whole facility into meltdown.
Agreed.
Hold on. This place is falling apart.
He wants to bring this whole place down. We have to stop him. There he is.
Nobody can stop the man under the red hood.
Up there. Let's go.
Where'd he come from?
He's really turning up the heat. Black leather may have been a bad choice, Batman.
You! I have a little something for you. Just a minute. Please just bear with me. It's, no, not that. That's for later. It's in here somewhere. Ooh.
Look out.
The whole of Gotham will have a permanent smile on its face, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Whoa! This guy ain't joking around!
These things really give you more bang for your buck. Ah! Kaboom! Well, this has been a real blast, but I gotta run.
Can't let him get away. controls are behind that safety glass.
Just need to find a way to line up my shot.
Nice shot.
I'm more than just a pretty mustache, you know.
Fire in the hole!
I don't think this place can take much more.
It can't. We need to hurry. Good job you're not scared of heights.
Yeah, believe it or not, it was never a problem before I met you. Boy, am I glad that was water.
Come on! Laugh when the world laughs with you. Don't either of you have a sense of humor?
Looks like we can make the airflow lift these platforms.
Farewell, Bat Fool and Officer Mustache. It's been a real blast.
This guy is nuts. This place could blow any minute. We have to stop him.
Places, people. It's showtime.
You have to stop! If this place explodes, the effects will be felt across the entire country.
Good. Smiles really are infectious, aren't they? This was never about the money. It was about sending a message. Gotham needs to smile more. Nice try, but it's game over.
This is our last chance. If we don't stop him now, it's all over.
Both of us need to lift this. Quickly. Jim, get over here now.
Well, it's time to retire. Feel free to drop in. I always knew I'd go out with a bang. Catch me if you can, Batman. Looks like I'm off the hook.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? Give me your hand.
Whoa! Pull him
Look! Over there! It's a bat! What are you, nuts? It's a man!
That is just a trick of the light. Break out the specialist hardware. What is this, detective? You guys pals or something?
Not exactly.
It was a bat, I tell ya! A bat! Yeah, that's what they all say.
Why do we always have to meet so high up, huh?
Guess I like the view.
The commissioner thinks you're dangerous.
What do you think?
I think you're trying to help. I've got something for you. Not sure what the other cops will say, but I put it on top of the GCPD. Let's head to Tricorner when you're ready.